Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a deck. It's not a new deck, it's been around for a while, but I did ask Seiko if we could have a copy so that I can show you what it looks like, because it's one of our most popular decks, and it's the Crystal Power Tarot, and in a minute you'll see why it is quite popular. So Jayne Wallace, for those of you that don't know, is she's the founder of Psychic Sisters, a team of clairvoyants that work out of Selfridges in London. So she's very well known here in the UK and very well respected. And she's done a number of decks, of which this is one of them. So she's saying take the tarot beyond divination, and obviously is including the crystal powers with them. It's a really, I'm just going to pop that to one side. It's a really interesting concept. You'll see why in a second. Because most of us use tarot and crystals together. And it's always a job to know which crystal you should be using. I mean, when you first start out, certainly. Okay, so it gets a little guidebook that comes with it, and you should have at the beginning all about the cards, crystal pairs, and then also how to read the cards. And she goes straight into, you've got the chakras there, look. You go straight into the cards. Now, the pips are not illustrated, as in there aren't any characters on them, but there are keywords with every one of Jayne's decks, keywords that you can use to help you interpret the card. And the interesting thing for these is that they have the crystals on them. So these are the backs. You can see we've got crystals, 78 cards, so it's a standard tarot deck for you to hold. A little bit longer actually, slightly, but certainly standard, nothing too large. Okay, so I'm going to go through these cards, placing one down here. Now, you can speed me up if you want to literally whip through and see what these look like briefly, or you can slow me down and turn my voice off, slow me down if you want to see the detail behind each card. So for the Fool here, you've got all of these crystals down here that are relevant to this energy of this card, which is I am guided and protected on my life journey. And the Fool is very much about trust and faith. So you can see that there's an affirmation here. So the Magician, citrine. I manifest perfectly what I desire. And the High Priestess works with lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli. Oh my goodness me. Lapis, I always call it lapis and I can never say the next one. My intuition guides me to my truth. And the Empress, some rhodonite. That's all about love, isn't it? I create what I choose naturally and with joy. The Emperor is red jasper. Amethyst for the Hierophant. Well, that makes sense. The Lovers is rose quartz, which also makes sense. I'd be very surprised if it was another one. The Chariot, we're using carnelian. It's a very good cleanser as well, carnelian. Sodalite. And sodalite I always think is a teamwork crystal, so it's quite interesting, that one. Turquoise, I follow my own path. There's too much to see, and I'm looking at all of it. I'm looking at the affirmation, the card, and then the crystal. They tie in beautifully. So Green Aventurine is all about luck, you see, as well. I trust whatever the universe. So she's really combined all of the energies. I can deal with whatever comes my way for strength. Oh, and you've got the Herkimer diamond. Selenite. I can see this situation another way. So these really are phantom quartz. I don't think I've ever used a piece of phantom quartz. Blue calcite for temperance. Oh, do let me know in the comments what you think. As I say, it's been around for a while, and it's actually, I haven't seen it before. So I sell it, but I didn't know what it looks like. And I thought, well, actually it'd be really nice for me and for us to have a good look at the deck. And I love anything that works with crystal, combines energies, you know, because you've got something really beautiful and ancient in both energies coming together. Oh, we've got the rainbow moonstone, look, for the moon. Isn't that perfect? Sunstone. Okay, so then we go into each of the, and yeah, she's color coded the suits as well. So you've got now, for example, green, which is the earth energy, and cups. Oh, are they all mixed up there? No, cups next. Right, okay. And you do get the affirmation here. So malachite, oh, it's a gorgeous malachite. So the whole of Pentacles is malachite. And then you have your affirmation at the bottom. Oh, crumbs. Sorry. I don't like it when this does it. There we go. A lot of it, I must admit, it's not the cards, it's my fingers. My hands don't grip at the top anymore. So I apologise. Pyrite. Lovely. I am open to opportunities for personal growth. I deserve financial security. Yes, we do. We do, we do, we do. Especially in today's climate. Less said. Right, so the Ace of Cups. So we've got cups at aquamarine. So they will all be aquamarine, the crystal that works with this energy. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Now I know a lot of you don't like unillustrated pips, which is these minor cards without the characters on them. So I know that some of you may say about that, and I don't read cards without illustrations and the characters myself, so I would find that tricky because I would still be trying to, you know, make sense of the image, and actually you don't really need to. I think a lot of these, when you do the pips, are for intuitive readers as well. But the good thing about Jayne is that she puts the meaning on each card. You get a general sense for what oh, sorry, I forgot to say that one's is garnet. Yeah, you get a general sense, a very good sense for what the card means because of the expression on it. And yellow calcite for the court cards. Now, swords we've got, I shall get it out in a minute. Swords have suglite, isn't it? Sorry. I'd have probably chosen a celestite. We all have our own. We have our own preferences, don't we? It would have been very difficult to choose one that was actually universally recognised for that energy, I suppose. And then for the Page of Swords, you've got ametrine. And the Knight is the same. And the Queen of the Swords is the same. And so is the King of Swords. So there you have this very popular deck, the Crystal Power Tarot. Let me know if you use it and how you found it, how you enjoy working with it. I'm just going to say, I love, love, love the majors. I think that's really clever. It's the perfect crystal to go with them. I wouldn't have disagreed with any of those actually. Okay, so I hope that you found that interesting and useful, and thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.